Gold and silver posted a very good recovery yesterday, but I can see gold specifically struggling to break 25 20 25 26 levels. It has moved towards 25 24 and now consolidating its position at around 25 20 levels, while silver has also moved on the upside, but again 29 29 20 proven out to be greater resistance. Now what to expect today? Big day today. The NFP data is going to be the decision maker today. Which direction the metals will take, where to buy, where to sell, how to profit today, everything we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. There will be another update before the NFP data release. Do not miss to watch this. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. Firstly, gold on the hourly charts, you can see the divergence from the 20 period. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period. Again, a little rise. Again, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period. Now, this is the zone where it has got maximum support. Thus, if you see gold trading below 25.12 levels today, you can take a selling entry there at 25.12 and expect it to keep moving towards 25.04. 2506 zone. First target 17 2498 2500 the second, and most important is going to be 2494 95 zone. That is going to be the decision maker today. If it drops below 2494 95, I think a bigger drop can be expected there, but right now I can see it is trying to get the support here, and it must break this zone at 25.12 in order to initiate slight bearishness. Moving averages here are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. This is definitely a bullish sign. Stochastic has dropped and now looking upwards, trying to suggest slight bullishness. MACD has seen a good rise here. It has crossed over. It is right now trading with slight divergence and bearishness. Now, if you look at MACD, it has seen a good rise after a bit of consolidation here at the bottom. Though it can take a further up move, but right now it is trading with the bearish bias. RSI is near to top, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts here, look at these two candles. See, candles with a bigger tail suggest that the prices were not willing to stay bearish, and we have seen a rise on the upside. You can see these three candles. You can find a greater resistance here at around 25.18 25.20 zone. So this zone is definitely going to be a decision maker, and specifically beyond 25.26 is where you can say little bullishness, and beyond 25.30 32 is where you can say now gold is going to fly high. As long as it stays below 25.30 32, we should not be treating this as bullish. See, moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence. Good sign for the bulls. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is in green here, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still looking upwards, still staying bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, what has happened? See, swings here, higher lows, lower lows, higher highs. Where is the median? Median somewhere here at around 25.15 levels, and it is trying to swing with the median at 25.15. I will recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying below 25.12. A little divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge a bit. Also, you can see price is shying away from staying or closing above 25.20. That is a good sign that for bears specifically, you can find out greater resistance here at around this zone at 25.20 25.26. This is going to be definitely greater resistance. Moving averages here also crossed over. This is again a bullish sign here, but the divergence of the price, what it may try to do, it can wait for the moving average to climb up and then retrace towards the 20 period and 50 period moving average. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD trading with divergence is staying bullish, looking upwards. Thing here to note is the candle sizes are minimized or diminishing here. This suggests that the bulls are not very much interested here. RSI rising, coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. One must look at higher highs, lower lows swing here, and wait for either to break beyond 25.26 zone or to drop below 25.12. In between these levels, we have to be cautious here. We should not be treating either gold as bullish or bearish. It is staying in the zone. It can reverse either which ways. Moving averages though have crossed over is a good sign for the bulls, but I can say that the bullishness is getting diminished here. Also look at this candle, a stronger push from the upside, retracement, and the current candle can try to take it further down. Be watchful. Stochastic almost flat. MACD is crossed over at the bottom. It is rising. It is looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. In one signals channel, we trade diverse instruments, including multiple commodities and indices from across the globe. You have ample opportunity throughout the day to make profit trading either indices or metals. Do not, or commodities. Do not miss to join this. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a SAP-free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It is very important to have a safe, trustworthy, reliable broker which offers you easier transactions and withdrawals. Do join it today and enjoy trading. Now look at the daily chart. See what has happened on the daily charts. First of all, rise, flat top, retracement towards 20 period. Most importantly, I have mentioned yesterday that look at these two candles. We have seen them getting support from the 20 period moving average. Also, what has happened? Bigger tails are seen, and that is where this rise has appeared. But if you look at this rise as well, you will find this is still trading in this bearish channel. It is a nice flag formation on the upside 25, 26, and then 25, 30, 32. Very, very strong resistance exists till here. Only and only if gold breaks beyond 25, 30, 32, you can say that the bulls will be in action. You will look forward to 25, 40 and 25, 50 levels as the next targets. But as long as it stays below this, we have to be cautious and alert. What has happened after a couple of swing candles? We have seen a stronger rise here, and now you can see it has left a wick on the upside and starting on the bullish note. I will still be cautious here. First resistance at around 25, 20, and then 25, 24, 26. So these two levels, and then 25, 30, 32. I will say till 25, 26 at least you should be cautious, alert, watchful, as the prices can reverse. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD on the daily charts is still bearish. It is traded with the divergence and bearishness trying to converge a bit. RSI is rising. Considering ideally, I will recommend you to buy only at 25, 22, where you can expect 25, 24, 26. Till 25, 26, be alert, be cautious. Then 25, 30, 32 will come into picture. And if it breaks 25, 30, 32, stay bullish. It is not going to come back down again. We are looking forward to greater rise. The next targets are towards 25, 40 and 25, 50 levels. Beyond 25, 50, sky is the limit. I still am skeptical of such a rise. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 25, 12, where you can expect 25, 8, 25, 4. 17 or 24.99, 2500, 24.94, 95, and then below 24.94, 95, you can expect a good drop which can take the prices towards 24.80 and in fact 24.60 levels as well. The direction gold takes today, it is going to bring a stronger movement here. So take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at silver on the early chart. See, again, after the drop, after the rise, it has come down to the same zone from where it is all started. It is trying to find its support, find its bottom here. 2870 levels, 2860 levels certainly is a good support zone which we have seen so far for silver. Any drop below 2870, 2860 is going to bring a slight bearishness towards 2840. However, for the day, I will recommend you to be careful till 2820 level. Only bearishness in silver is if it trades below 2820. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD has crossed over here at the top, trying to trade with slight bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. See, very important, look at the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail, but also you can notice on the upside there are greater resistances available for silver here at 28.85, 90. So as long as it stays below 28.90, we should not be initiating silver as bullish. What is happening here is, if you look at one bearish candle, couple of retracement, and now it is trying to take the direction. On the downside, see, very important, you can see a crossover here in the moving averages. 2860 is definitely a very good support, and then 2840, below that 2820. As long as silver stays above 2820 today, we should not be treating silver as bearish. That is also very clear. And on the upside, see, now let me show you something on the charts here. See the drop retracement. I have mentioned yesterday that it is trading in this bearish channel. It has tried to come out of this channel, but again failing to do so, falling back within the zone. Now 29, 29, 20 on the upside is definitely going to be one critical milestone. and range for it to break past by. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is right now looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, if you look at see swings here, preceding candle also a swing candle. I will wait for it to drop below 2860 levels. That will confirm for the bearishness, and specifically as I said 2840, 2820 greater resistances till 2820. Just put a 10 cents trailing below 2820. We are going to look forward to a major move here. Right now I can see it is staying bullish, looking upwards. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit. The MACD is still in green, trying to trade with bullishness. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, look at 4 hour chart. See one big candle consolidation here, again taking a direction. Once it stays below 2860, we can look forward to more bearishness here, and see this could be the beginning of it. Only thing is, if you connect the dots here till 2840, and in fact, as I said, till 2820 rather, you should not be thinking of silver as bearish. Only below 2820 today we can say more bearishness will prevail. If you look at the formation, drop retracement, bigger the drop, bigger the retracement. Largely I can say it is still confining itself within the zone here, and thus on the upside 2920 is going to be one critical milestone. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart. On the daily chart, see yesterday's candle, first of all, almost a double bottom at the preceding candle, reversal sign, and the first bullish candle has appeared. Now what has happened? See, first of all, the moving average is crossing over here, definitely is a bearish sign. Also the price is retraced here. Now it is finding a very good resistance, very tough resistance at around 2920. Now this zone is definitely critical for silver to break beyond. Also, if you look at, see, after the drop it is just trading in this bearish channel, and this is a sideways bearish. See one vertical move, and now the direction it is going to take today is going to remain the direction here for a while. The bottom of the day is at around 2750, 2740 levels. So if it continues to stay below 2820, $28 levels, 2775 and 2750 levels are going to remain the next targets, and in fact we can see further lows. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Considering this, very simple, sell at 2860 levels and expect it to keep moving towards 2840, 2820 zone, below which you can expect more bearishness, which will take the prices towards 28, 2775 and 2750 levels. On the upside, a buying entry I will recommend is at 2890 levels, expected to move towards 2910, 2920 zone, first target zone. And if it breaks beyond 2920, more bullishness will prevail, which can take it towards 2950, 60 zone, which is going to be a definitely stronger milestone resistance for it to break past by. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session, before the NFP data release. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.